In transformation, next set of question we are going to discuss, that is about rotation. While you are dealing with rotation, the major concept is how much this is rotated in clockwise direction. Okay, this is our first initial picture. This one, how much deviated in clockwise direction. That's the thing you should find. This is here. We can use this line. Okay, this line is coming like this. Okay, this it became like this. So angle of rotation which is 180 degree. First of all, you should think about this. Angle of rotation is 180 degree. With respect to the origin only, this is rotating. Okay, with respect to the origin, this is rotating. That means we have to concern about their direction of deviation here. With respect to the y-axis, the deviation here one place. Okay, here one value, here also only one value. This is the way we have to find the reference point. Okay, here one value deviation, here also one value deviation, and similarly in y-axis also let's find. Here there are two values, 1, 2, and here also there are two values deviation. This is the deviation of that particular shape in 180 degree direction. So our origin, here you should indicate the origin 180 degrees with respect to the origin. That means 0 and 0. That is the way we can indicate the rotation manners. Okay, rotation manners. The degree of rotation in clockwise direction and with respect to which point that is rotating. Okay, with respect to the origin only, this is rotating. Okay, rotation means rotation of 180 degrees clockwise. That is the angle of rotation. Then about origin, that's the reference point which we need to rotate this particular shape. Here, first of all, we have to find in rotation instance angle of deviation. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, right triangle, how much this is deviated from its initial position. That means this right angle was deviated in this way. That means the angle of deviation is 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, 90 degrees clockwise. Then about which point that is rotating, that is an important factor. Next thing, let's find the. Okay, I'll consider about this particular point. Okay, this particular point and its deviation in x-axis and y-axis. Okay, in x manner that is deviating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 means the midway where it is located. That means that should be in 2.5. Okay, midway is located at 2.5. Then after let's find angle of deviation in sorry uh, displacement in vertical manner. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2 here. That means this is the point. Okay, this is the particular point. Through this only, this triangle is rotating. So then after you should indicating 90 degrees clockwise and about 0.5. Okay, 0.5, or you can use it as half. Okay, it's better to use it as half. Half, comma, half, comma, 0. Half, comma, 0. About this point only, this is rotating. How I found that one? In x-axis, the displacement is 5. So half of it, that would be 2.5. That means that is located at 0.5. And in y manner, that is the displacement is two values. That means the mid value is located at 1. So that is the place, the intersection of these two lines I found, that is the place of about rotation. Okay, this value is located not in an integral value, that is located in between. That means in between 0 and 1. So what is the in between value for these two? That should be half, or in decimal values we can indicate it as 0.5. So 0.5, and in y-axis that is 0. That's why I indicated about this point only. This is rotating from its initial location. What is half of 5? So 5 divided by 2, that will give you 2.5. 2.5 coordinates deviated from its initial position. So that's the thing you should identify. This is the axis of rotation. Okay, vertical axis of rotation, and the pink color one is our horizontal axis of rotation. When these two are intersecting, that is the point we need. That is the coordinate of about rotation.